Let us see how to draw this particular orthographic or sketch by using AutoCAD app. For that, you need to install AutoCAD from the Play Store. Install it and register with your email ID. They will send you an activation link and you can use it. Now when you open it, you may find the n number of files over here. Okay, as I already use it, add button over here. Okay, so click on that particular add button. It will provide you a new file. So when you click on add button, it will show you create a new file or open existing file, open a drawing from a device and connect to the storage. Okay, so we go with the create new file. You may give the name over here like 123, press OK and it get load. Okay, it will depend on the internet speed. Okay, when you start this particular app or the create a new file, click on the create new file, you will find this 3 bars over here, or it your screen get divided into 3 sections: upper one bar, okay, then lower one bar and all over area. So all this black shaded area is the your drawing area. If you see it from nearer to your eyes, closer to your eyes, you will find some fine vertical lines and horizontal lines are there matching over here. This the structure like the graph paper structure over here. Okay, you can utilize that. Okay, now for zoom in and zoom out, you can use your 2 fingers. Okay, for zoom in and zoom out. For zoom out, go for this one, and for zoom in, do like this. Okay, so generally what we are using for zoom in and zoom out option. Okay, let us see how to draw our this object. Okay, let us start with the circle. Our first circle is of diameter 25. If you start your drawing from here, if you start your drawing from here, there is a circle 25 diameter and outer circle having a dimension you may get from here. Okay, 10 plus 30 plus 10, so it is 50. So outer 50, inner 25. So let us start with this and draw by using the AutoCAD. So start the AutoCAD. So go for the AutoCAD, draw one circle anywhere arbitrarily, or if you want to exactly want to draw the at center, so like this on this line. It shows the radius to you, you can change it. So radius 25 for outer circle. Okay, then click OK, zoom it again by keeping the same center and draw second center which is having a radius of 12.5. okay, so we have created this one. Now let us see the next, what it consists of. 2 lines are there. If you start from the center, upper line dimension, the upper line dimension say 88. Okay, so I draw the dimension of 88, then divide 10, 30 and 10. Okay, so start with this again I take the line, start from this point, the dimension of this one is 88, complete it, again take the line, dimension is 10, again take the line, again draw the one another line. This was the reference line. Okay, it is not over there, but for the dimension purpose we take it and later we can delete it. So again 10 distance lines is there, so I take a 10 here line completed and take from top to bottom. Okay, if you find that it is wrong, so you can do the undo from here. So I can take a line and up to this point. So this is the 88. Again go for the drawing and find the exact geometry. Okay, then there is a line from 30. Okay, it is at a distance of, if you see this one, you can find what is the length from the top. If you try to draw this one, what will be the height of this one or length of this one? So it is equal to the this one, radius 16, means 16 plus 16, it is 32. So I draw that one, 32 from our base point. So start from here, you may zoom it, again line, take the line and draw having a dimension of 32. Okay, then again draw line from this point also, make it undo, or you can delete this line as there is no use of this one. This is only for the reference purpose. Again click on draw line and then after start from this point, again it is a 32. Okay, so then after there is again one another line, I just draw it. You may use it for the reference also, or you can delete it. Then after again see your drawing. Yes, now you can find that at a distance of 40, there is from the center, if you start from the center, at a distance of 40, okay, there is one point and the dimension of that slot is there. Okay, actually slot is there, the dimension of that particular slot is 12. okay, and 10 is in height. So I draw 40 and 10 first. So you may go for this one again. Go for your software again. Start with the line. Start from center. Okay, it is of distance of 40. Enter. Then after again draw a line of 10. Okay, so 10 is there. Now delete this one because there is no use. So I delete it. Again go for draw the circle at the point of this one, which is having a radius of 6. Radius of 6 because the diameter is shown 12, so radius is 6. Again I draw another one circle over here. You may zoom it so that clearly you can see the center point and draw the again dimension of 6. Okay, and draw two lines which is touching, which is no need to give the dimension, it can automatically take the tangent line. Okay, the symbols coming over there for the tangent purpose. Now whatever the unnecessary part is there, you can delete unnecessary part. So for that you need to go for the modify command. Okay. For modify command, select your overall drawing. Okay, then go for trim command. Use the trim command. Trim intersecting the object. So zoom it. Okay, so here you need to keep in your mind that what portion you want to delete, or what unnecessary portion is there. You need to select one object over here and then go for the trim command. Now select this one, trim intersecting objects. So this is the intersecting object. You can do okay. Then after again you can do the same thing by selecting this one. Go for trim, choose the okay. If it is not working, you may draw two lines over here. Okay, as it is not possible with your software. If it is not possible, again I go for the draw the lines, a line from starting from this point to this point. Okay, so line, take the line, draw from this point to this point, again line, start to end. Okay, so you may find that there is a distance of 12, so diameter of 12. Again I choose the line. Okay, and then after go for the trim one, select your circle so it get deleted. Okay, press ok, press again line, again click on the unnecessary portion. So here we have completed the slot. Okay, whatever unnecessary portion is there, you can delete it. This is not required, this is also not required, this is also not required. Okay, so this is your slot of 12. Now if you see that in our drawing, you find that there is a hidden line. Okay, hidden line, and there is a hidden line, and yes, at the from the top it is at the distance of 16. So center is from the top, there is a 16 is the distance, 16 as 16 is the radius, and then slot of actual hole of 16 pi 16 means 8. Okay, so it is given over here. If you not find the dimension, you may find it from here also, a side view. So go for this one, again go for AutoCAD, again choose draw a line. Okay, starting from, okay, you may start from the center also, or for better ease of purpose, and draw the line or line which at a distance of 16. Okay, and then there is a, this is your center line, start from this point. Okay, already one line is there, so start from this point. You see it is at 16. So this is the line, you can extend it to this point. Okay, and then again draw two lines which is at a distance of 8. Okay, so distance of 8, so I take here 8. Okay, and then 8 at downside. Okay, now draw two lines from starting from this point to next point, so you can extend it, extend up to the, okay, again you can copy that object. Okay, copy from this point to this point. Okay, so it is at a distance of 16. Okay, so now again whatever the not necessary portion, not required portion, I delete it. This is not required, this line is not required, delete it. This line is not required, delete it. And after the extended portion, so select your line, go for the trim command, use trim command, select unnecessary portion, it get trimmed. Okay, again press ok, select on trim option, select unnecessary portion, it get trimmed. Again click on inner lines. Okay, then again go for trim. What lines you are not required, go for that one and click on the trim portion. Okay, now whatever the lines you have taken over here, okay, these are the hidden lines. These are the hidden lines. Actually I am not given various types of lines over here. Click on the line, only show the line me over here. No hidden line you may find in this slot. Okay, so consider that this is your drawing, whatever drawing you require. Now suppose I want to, so this is your diameter of 25, then you can go for the dimension, linear dimension. Actually you require to convert it into radius, so this is the radius of 25 radius. Then give the dimensions. I not required it, so I can delete it. Undo. I not required this one, so delete it. Then give the dimensions, diameter or radius. You can give the diameter for this one, y 25, radius 25. Then after align dimension like this one, from this point to this point, 88. You can move at wherever distance you want. And if I start from this one to dimension, start from this point to this point. Okay, so you find this is the 44, or as per our drawing, if you want to give the dimension, there is the 40 and then after 10, so I give that same dimension over here. Delete it. Dimension, start from this point to this point. Okay, it is a 44. Again from dimension from this point to this point, it is 10. You find that there is a, so delete it. Dimension from this point to this point. Okay, yes, so 10 is there, 40 is there, 88 is there, 25 is there. So in this way you can draw your object and give the dimensions to it. Now you try to draw side view. If you have any question, write me in comments. Thank you for watching the video.